unspoken way, love line. A grieving professor, consumed by sorrow, is offered a lifeline by a colleague navigating his own fragile recovery. As they both confront the societal pressures that often silence men's struggle. Act 1, Scene 1.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Hey, have you seen Sir Professor Long?
I don't think you're the best right now. Can you do that? I just look up the arrow. So, can you see that again?
Oh, अच्छा. अरे यहाँ ये मैं अर्जेंट काम मुझे लोग कॉल लगे.
Try to set that mic in between.
अच्छा.
He's in his office, so good luck.
Oh, अच्छा. ठीक है सर. Thank you.
And scene. Grief is a thief. It doesn't just steal what you have, it steals who you were. And for Professor, the thief had been absolute. His wife gone, his purpose dissolved. He sat in his office, a ghost in his own life, tethered only by the relentless pull of sorrow.
Hey, hello, Professor. Oh, 무슨 올라가게 돼. 노트라도 디스커스 것이냐? 또 이래서 긴가나? Thank you. 그리고 뭐 여러 비슷해 대별 보이면 나서 너네 알리 보더니
대비 보이네? 얼기 kia 대비 보이네. 뒤 아빠 이제.
네네네, sorry, 냠 너희. 그래 또 갈리로 보내, 갈리로 쓰기로. 나 문제 더.
And scene.
또 one blind run 시간 나오나? 나오나? 네, 모두 벌을 보내. 우리 많이 불을 보내. 나나, 잘라. 어떻게 해서
Can you guys shut up? My office is come for the If I have this is straight for the Keep quiet.
What is problem? And what you should know. Try to solve the problem.
Hey friends, did you guys saw his eyes? Looks like panda, right?
Hey, guys, come on. 저기 딸의 그런 말이 인데서나 많이 무시해. 바로 딸이 꽝 두께 오기 전에 나오는구나. 또 앞년에 이년아 오래 봐서.
But hey, wait, it doesn't mean anything if you out of the house, right, friends? Let's not come and sleep.
Assistant Professor knew this stillness. He had lived in its suffocating grave himself, navigating the treacherous water of his own recovery. He recognized the signs of a soul in free fall. Act 2, Scene 2.
bunch of food, all of them. I'll kill again.
Sir, are you okay?
One last thing, got it?
Hey, sir. Wait, I don't want to overstep that. Really, you therapy really about
Huh? Therapy? Kill it. Wait, Papa.
No, of course not. Wait, I need to say one way. Really? I've seen this before. Wait,
How dare you?
Sorry, wait, what na? Wait, I'm in this number that I said. Aro, really? Wait, Mikey, wait, na, someone close to me. Na do, kya wanay de, boss wanay de. I don't know the feeling. I'm really sorry about that.
Don't apologize. Team, wait, you want to do this? Wait, one point. Time is like time heals, bro. Really, in the wait, every day feels like a heavier burden than the last. Like I feel like I'm wounded, but not a
Wait, I'm sorry, wrong with it. Really, they forget to mention the word involved now. The digging yourself out, the permission you have to give it to yourself to feel it. Nah.
Permission? Araw kila permission nyo kung mga lagi. Mo'y iwan na lagi. Mo'y lamong itutup to. Pero kaya nyo siya. Ito pain, or memories. So, pero kaya nyo siya.
This was the curse of it, the unspoken burden of so many men, the relentless societal expectations to be unbroken, to stand firm, even when the foundations of your life crumbled beneath them.
Lately, I've been feeling so lost and empty without her. Wala may nakakapit ko yun. Kasi mo nung Tay, job is mo yung puro na lang. Maybe, what is that? Maybe I should start talking to someone else. Mention to the therapist.
Wait, mention mo siya. Wait, number diyo. Amo kita na. Ito therapist number, kasi mo ito siya, may number ko niya. Ito sa number do. Aro? Ni kya time pa eh. Ito naman din. Ako dyan na therapist ko sa'yo din. There.
And sing. Act 3, Scene 1.
I almost forget the door.
That's perfectly okay. We can begin right where you are. Jadi ikut taruh dari naik, ayat ikut pressure naik, ayat begini sih.
I spend years being one day up with another office in here without another contract. Really, it feels so strange not being able to like get answers to one another.
You don't
lately, I've been feeling so tired, and not just physically, but I feel like I'm here, but not really present. You can't express all of my
Just sit now and that's a good start.
maybe once I do this experience
Jadi ikut dulu naik. Hal boleh lain kamu set boleh naik. Kita harus cuci kadang kali kamu tahu. Sometimes it's just showing up and being absolutely done it.
And sing. Act 3, Scene 1. After a month.
Hey, good to see you, Professor. Okay, 안녕하세요.
빨라져.
아래 미치는 바로 앞뒤도 꿀먹 느꼈어 지금 이거.
We received food we want.
아유
건너뛰기가 프로젝트에 과학 전문 수업인데 뭔가 못 읽었나 많이 깔리고 수업을 왔고 그래서 하여튼 관계
뒤 문도 나가는데 뒤에 help가 바로 뒤에 간에 advice로 시작하고 있는 게 저는 지금
오케이 저기 뭔 집진이들이 무슨 노래를 꿍 그러나 바로 아무도 생각하지 않아서 그랬어.
거의 인과로도 말고 같은데 우리 이게 아직 거기서 나한테 바로 거의 감기도 좋아해. 우리 그래도 그냥 봐도
그냥 problem도 이빨로도 봐도 그냥 assess every small win counts 나. 바로 저기 one the left is also one of two right now really one agent is not and you know we're all crazy 잖아. 또 아직까지 생각 원래 생각해.
빨리 이제 거기서 감난 거에 아우 빨리 상미도 어디에
알아 되게 그 거기서는 생각 미디어 발사
맞아.
또 뛰겠어 또 러브로 해 러브로 뛰겠어.
Healing didn't come all at once for Professor, but it began with a single step, seeking hope. Over time, he made small but meaningful changes. He began waking up early to sit in the sunlight, replaced late-night overthinking with evening walks, and wrote his thoughts in a journal instead of bottling them inside. He now meets his therapist twice a month, practices deep breathing before lectures, and has learned to talk, really talk, to those around him. The journey isn't over, but every step forward is a quiet victory, and sometimes healing sounds just like laughter on a front page. Depression doesn't wear a uniform, it doesn't care about your job title or your age or your gender. What saves us is knowing that we are not alone. This man's mental health day, talk, listen, heal. Healing isn't a sign of weakness. Vulnerability isn't failure. Talking saves lives.